What's up? It's your main man, Really Rails. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, it's early Saturday morning, so you know what time it is. It is cars and coffee time. You did what I'm saying? So we can head over to Matthews, North Carolina, and see what's cracking at the cars and coffee. But first, I got my car. I'm gonna stop and get my coffee, along with a little gas too. But stop and get my coffee, and then head on down there. So I'm gonna definitely see y'all when we get there. What's up? It's your main man, Really Rails. Hey, finally got down here. Hey, we are in Matthews, North Carolina, man. And when I tell y'all there's some bad cars out here, like I am, this it's understatement. Yo, so I'm gonna give you some slow-mo footage. Once I walk around here and check everything out, I'm gonna let y'all see some stuff, throughout the process, but I got to put that slow-mo video for you, you know what I'm saying? You know how to do it, we'll make it happen, man. But there's plenty of content out here, plenty of cars out here, man. You got Ferraris, Lambos, got a yellow Ferrari pulling up right there, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all get a sneak peek at what they got going here. Ferrari F430, beautiful car. That's the level one day. It's coming, trust me, you know what I'm saying? Playing no games, Ferrari, Lambos, I guarantee you, I'm telling you, one day soon, I'm gonna see them, you know what I mean? Classic Corvette. So, hey, we about to start from the beginning, walk around here, see everything that's around here. Go ahead and walk across here. Yeah, so we're gonna go start from the beginning and check everything out, you know what I mean? Start from the beginning, and man, it's crazy out here, y'all. Like, I seen some cars in my heyday, you know what I mean? But like the ones that we're gonna be looking at here, bananas, y'all. So let's get to walking and check this stuff out. Gotcha. Yep. The SS. Just the pace car, 730 Indianapolis 500, 828, 1989. Look at that. Buttons on the steering wheel. Crazy. Yeah. Second. Maserati over there. Oh, Toyota Land Cruiser. Look at that. Man. Crazy. Honda NSX. Yeah. Hold on. I said Honda. Y'all see it say Honda. Can you see it? But yeah. Then you got NSX right there. Crazy. Right side drive. Ferrari leaving out right there. Audi R8 coming in. Nice Z4.
Right here.
Toyota Supra. Okay. Ferrari coming in.
Are you freeing up a spot? Is that what you're doing?
Lamborghini Huracan.
Morning.
Man, amazing cars out here, y'all. Amazing cars out here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another Lambo. The Huracan Evo. Ferrari down there.
Dad still has all the
Lotus, Ferrari, Messina. Yes, sir. Ferrari over there. See the C8 Corvette right there.
Yeah.
McLaren. Yeah. So guys, what I'm gonna do for y'all, man, there's so many cars out here, so many nice cars out here that I gotta go ahead and start getting this slow-mo footage for y'all, man. I'm gonna get this good slow-mo footage and, you know, put that dope video together for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So just stay tuned. We're gonna make it happen, and we're gonna put together something cinematic. It's gonna blow you away, you understand? So I'm gonna get with y'all. Well, you know what? Y'all just sit back, stay tuned, and watch this slow-mo footage.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call
Hey man, I hope y'all enjoyed that amazing slow-mo footage, man. Cars out here are crazy. I think this is it's probably the best car meet I've been to. Of course, since I've been to Charlotte, but I think in general, you know what I'm saying, as far as the quality of cars, type of environment, so forth and so on, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see you got the boy Toro back there, Hemi, CLT Hemi back here, man. They over there chilling, you know what I'm saying? Taking it easy, you know what I mean? Make sure you do that. Subscribe to them, follow them, everything. Watch some videos too, you know what I'm saying? So, we're just gonna keep on walking around here seeing what's going on, man. You know what I mean? It's a lot, like I said, a lot of content, a lot of cars. But yeah, be back in a minute. Hey man, it's been very eventful out here today. Crazy, you know, crazy, amazing cars, man. Like I said, I hope y'all like that slow-mo footage that I dropped in there, man. We're probably about to get out of here in a second and you know, go find out what else is going on for the day. You know, I ain't really thought about it too much, you know, but get on out of here. You know, I like to make a exit, but you know, I think the police still sitting on the corner, so I can't make my exit like I want to make my exit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna chop it up with you guys on the next video, because you know I keep them videos coming, if not every day, every other day. So I'm gonna see y'all later. Up out of here. Always 100, always solid.